Hello friends, I Purushottam Maurya welcomes you on this A to Z Exam Guru platform. Today we will study indefinite integrals. Right friends? So let us see. This is type of uh, integration in which we will deal with the algebraic type of function, right? So it is integration. This symbol is symbol of integration. Symbol of integration, right friend? And x is a algebraic function, you know very well. It's variable, its value can be vary. N is a number, is a number, but this number can't be equal to -1. ये नंबर कभी भी -1 के इक्वल नहीं होनी चाहिए. यदि ऐसा है तो वहां पर उस कंडीशन में ये फार्मूला एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. राइट फ्रेंड्स? dx इज ऑपरेटर, तो f और dx, यहाँ पर dy भी हो सकता है, dz भी हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द केस की वेरिएबल क्या है. राइट? यदि ऐसा है, सिंपली सपोज दैट यदि यहाँ पर x y टू द पावर n होता, यहाँ पर dy आप लिखते. यदि यहाँ पर z पावर n होता तो यहाँ आप dz लिखते. इट मीन्स जो भी वेरिएबल होगा उसी का ऑपरेटर आप लगाओगे. राइट फ्रेंड्स? सो दिस विल बी x टू द पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1. इट मीन्स जो भी वेरिएबल है उसकी जो पावर है, राइट, उसमें आप 1 ऐड कर दोगे, अपान का साइन लगाओगे और डिनोमिनेटर में n प्लस 1 लिख दोगे. और ये जो c है, दिस इज कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. राइट? कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. Constant of integration. Right friends? So let us solve this question based on above formula. Show in this question the value of n is 4. Right friends? Show you can write x power 4 plus 1 divide 4 plus 1. This will be x की power 5 upon 5 plus constant of integration c. Right? So come on, next question. This is root x dx. Right friends? So what you do? Simply you have to x की power 1 by 2 into dx. Show x की power 1 by 2 plus 1, x की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, or you can write it as 2 by 3 into x की power plus constant of integration c. Right friends? So let us see in this question, it is 1 upon root x. So if you write it as, then it will be x to the power minus 1 by 2 dx, then x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, so x to the power minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2 plus constant of integration minus 2 into on root x plus constant of integration. Right friends? Now let us see this question. So this, if you solve, you can write as x minus 3 dx. Show x power minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. You can write it as minus 1 by 2 into x power minus 2 plus constant of integration c. Right friends? See in this question. In this question, what you will do? Take 4 as a common outside and x power 5 constant in integration c. So you can write it as 4 into x power 6 upon 6 plus constant of integration. And you can solve this and write 2 by 3 x power 6 plus constant of integration c. Now come to this question. What you will do in this question? This is written as a plus 1 upon a whole square, right friend? Whole cube. So you can write a cube, it means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab 3 into x square into 1 by x square within the bracket x square plus x square first, then now we have to differentiate this, right friends? So take it is individually. Integration of so you can solve it as x to the power 6 plus 1, and this you can take it, yeah, power become negative. Plus this into x power minus plus constant of integration c. Dear friends, keep in mind one thing, that you should not add individual integration of constant, because in this question there are 4 terms, so you need not to add 4 individual constant of integration. You have to add only one, right friends? So do this x power 7 by 7 minus 1 by 5 x power minus 5 plus 3 cancel out x cube minus 3 x power minus plus constant of integration c. Right friends? So I hope that this question will be clear to you. Now move to next question. Now let us square x square plus 1 by root x 2 into root x into 1 by root x. So x dx right friends. So this we will do, because it is 1 by x dx, so it is for it is log x, right friends? And here it is a very special case, right friends? You have to deal with x power 0 dx. So you can write it as twice of, and what do you do, x to the power 0 plus 1 x power 0 plus 1 of 0.0 plus 1. Friends, you will write it as x square by 12 plus this one. Yes. So friends, I hope that this should be clear to you. Plus constant of derivation c. So let us see from starting what is studying in this lecture. Basically, it is an indefinite integral reference. What is indefinite? Because limit is not given. No? It is not bound in boundary. So it is called indefinite. And the formula is f of f x to the power n dx, where x is a variable and is a number, f dx is the operator, and so the integration of this type is x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and you add constant of integration. But keep in mind, the value of n never should be minus 1. Right, friends? In that case, it is not applicable. So, all the questions of this class in this session are based on only this formula. Right, friends? X to the power 4, simply you can do this. Similarly, it is a root x, you can remove root and express in the power of 1 by 2. Similarly, it is 1 upon root x, express this in the power of x to the power minus 1 by 2. And similarly, it is 1 by x cube. So, take in carry it in numerator, is its power become minus 3, and simply you can apply the above formula, is multiplied by constant to take constant outside and then apply the same formula. And in this, because it is the identity EQ plus DQ, so apply the identity. Keep in mind, identity is applied for right hands. A plus B whole cube, right hands. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB bracket में A plus B. Using this identity simple and do the same. Right friends, and in this question, the last one, what you do? You have to apply the identity a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus b square plus twice of e. So friends, I hope that this will be clear to you, and you have uh, understood all the concept which was explained in this class. So thank you students for watching this lecture, and it is my sincere request you to write your comment in comment box, but the modification can be done for improvement of this lecture. And friends, subscribe for latest notification and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this lecture once again.